The law of attraction essentially, as I understand it, is, if you put your mind on something, then you're putting your energy towards that. And the energy, everything is energy in the world, in our universe. Everything is energy based.
That's for sure.
So everything, whether it's a table or a chair or a person or an animal, it's all energy vibrations. You put your mind on something, you're creating an energy vibration. And eventually you match whatever objective it is that you want. Now, having studied NLP, I'll tell you this. Most people, well, let me start something this way. We have a conscious mind and we have a subconscious mind. Our conscious minds may want one thing, but our subconscious mind may want something totally different. So, for example, let me give you a concrete example. If I say, well, I want to have a lot of money. Okay, that's my conscious mind says that. My subconscious mind says, if you have a lot of money, then you will be setting yourself up for failure, which will really hurt you. So you don't really want that money. So now you've got two opposing vibrations going on. Trouble is, you're not aware of your subconscious mind. You're aware only of your conscious mind. So you're sending out this message, but the message is being undermined or negated by your subconscious mind. And that happens a lot, because people say, well, I put my mind on it and nothing happened. But then you start talking to the people and you realize, maybe that's not really what they wanted anyway. Maybe underneath, money, conscious money is equated to happiness. But subconsciously, they know that, no, it's not. Money is not going to make you happy.
Yeah.
Happiness is tied to many, many other things.
Many other things.
So it's an interesting concept. The way I go ahead.
That's why I think most of the people are bashing law of attraction, because they put their conscious mind, they try to teach their subconscious mind, but they fight with their subconscious mind, and at the end of the day they do not get what they wanted.
Because the subconscious mind is 90%.
Yes,
the conscious mind is 10%.
10%.
So, yeah.
That's true.
The act, see, it's interesting, but the act of wanting has interesting sub-energies to it. If I want something, means I don't have it. Means maybe I'm resentful for not having it. Maybe I'm jealous that other people have it. So, there's a lot of energies that are related to wanting things. The best I found from my own experience is it's not about wanting. It's about putting your thoughts out there. Just put your thoughts out there and you'll be surprised at what comes back.
Letting go a thought and do not paying heed and do not paying stress on that specific thought will help.
Right. Yeah, I really believe that, because just by definition, when you say I want something, why is your life lacking something? I mean, besides necessities of food and shelter and things like that, but we're talking about, I want a brand new car.
Yeah.
Why? Is that going to make your life any better than the car you already have, or whatever? So it's interesting, very interesting stuff.
So, thank you for giving